The Old Mule here. Good morning. Glad that you stopped by the farm today because I've got a special project that I've been working on, and I believe you're going to want to take a look at this too. I have had a need for a specialized shaving horse for quite a while. I've got some upcoming projects that I will be doing that I'll be sharing with you as time goes on that I need a little bit specific type of shaving horse for. So I have actually built one, and I think you're going to like it. So come along today right here at the Woodwright shop, and let's take a look at what we've got going on. Here we are with our new shaving horse. Let me show you what we've got going on here. As I told you earlier, I've got some projects coming up in the old shop that I needed a little bit of different horse for to meet those particular needs, as well as size this to meet me and my need as far as my height and my arm reach, etc., etc. On this one, I used just material that I had laying around the old shop. The bed of this is nothing more than a slab off of one of the pine trees that we cut uh, for one of our Old South barn projects that we have been doing. The legs, if you notice, I've got a 15-degree taper out on the back legs. On the front legs, I got a 15-degree taper out on them as well, but I also skewed those forward about 12 degrees. That's just to give a little bit more stability to this horse so we don't have any problem. The work head of it is very simple, very crude, very traditional to most shaving horses. I have even heat forged a metal strap to go around the base of this to give more strength and stability to this headstock, so we ought not to have any problem with that. Shaving horses have been around a long time, used particularly during the 1800s and even into the 1900s by not only woodworkers but a lot of different trade and craft people. There's even evidence of shaving horses all the way back into the 1700s. They looked a little different, but at the end of the day, they all worked and functioned just about the same way. So basically on this one and with this, I'm going to be using it to actually make handles for some of the upcoming shovels that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be hand forging some period shovels for some of the events that we've got coming up, and I want to make my own handles for that. You don't have to use a limb or a round piece of a tree. You can actually use a square piece and bring it down to whatever your need might be. This head, I've actually made it so there's a right and a left, depends upon the application. I could take this piece of wood, for example, and I could put it under the right, little foot power down on the bottom, this thing is clamped tight. Or if I need to, I can put it on the left-hand side, foot power, clamp down, same scenario. Very versatile, a little bit different, a little bit more unique than what you might see on most of them, but hey, it's going to work fine. Take your trusty draw knife and just peel away. Just peel away. Works like a charm every time. This is how we do it on Old Mule Farms, and it's the only way we know how because we do things the Old Mule way. I wanted to personally thank you for stopping by and visiting with us here on historical Old Mule Farms. If you'd like to know more about us and what we do and who we are, just check us out on the World Wide Web at theoldmule.com. You'll get a glimpse into an old way of life, old homestead living, and how we are in the business of preserving the past for the future. You can also find many more items that we're a part of here on YouTube, such as our Old South Barn work, where we preserve the past there through old buildings, old barns, and things that pertain to farm life in general. So don't forget to like us, don't forget to follow us, And certainly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we appreciate it very much. See you around the farm.